Want to make dollars while sitting on your couch? You're not alone. In the USA, thousands of people are making over $100 a day using simple, lazy side hustles. And no, you don't need a degree or thousands of dollars to start. Welcome to Dollar Blueprint. In this video, we are breaking down 3 lazy ways to build passive income. Let's dive in. The first lazy method is AI-powered print on demand. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy allow you to sell t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding any inventory. You don't even need to be an artist. You can use free AI tools to create unique, trendy designs. Just upload your AI art to these platforms, set your price, and when a customer buys, the website prints and ships it for you. You just sit back and collect the profit. The second method is selling digital templates. People in the US love organization and productivity, but they don't have the time to create templates from scratch. You can use Canva to design simple budget planners, social media calendars, or resume templates. Once your template is ready, list it on Etsy as a digital download. The best part? You only have to create the file once, and it can sell thousands of times automatically while you sleep. The third and most powerful lazy hustle is faceless YouTube automation, exactly what we are looking at right now. Millions of people watch relaxing background videos, tech news, or motivation channels. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs for realistic voices, and free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay to put the video together. YouTube shares its ad revenue with you, and with a USA audience, your earnings per 1,000 views can be huge. Making money online doesn't mean working 12 hours a day. It's about choosing the right blueprint. Pick one of these 3 methods and start today. If you want more step-by-step guides on building wealth, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for Dollar Blueprint. See you in the next video.